Excuse me,
Hi, what's up?
where's the main gym?
Alright, it's just over there. What section are you looking for exactly?
I don't know section.
Right, so we've got the stretching section, got the personal training corner or fitness.
Oh, I want to see my coach.
Alright, so you want the personal training corner.
Thank
So
you.
It's just over that way.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. So what do you want to do exactly? You want to gain weight?
Gain? I don't know gain.
So basically gaining muscle weight or losing body fat.
Oh, I don't want to change my weight.
Alright, so you're looking for just fitness basically.
Yes, sure.
Wonderful. So how often do you come in here?
3 days.
3 days a week, so I guess I'll see you again.
Yes, sure. Why
Oh,
not?
or your coach is here.
Thank you. Good luck.
I'll see you.